Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3, and we are going to be talking about adding and subtracting rational expressions. So rational, think fractions. So before we can add and subtract fractions with variables in it, let's just start with what you guys learned way back in grade school. So see what you can do with these 4 expressions. Okay, so the thing with adding and subtracting fractions is that they have to have a common denominator. So if they have a common denominator, you can literally just add or subtract the top. So 4 plus 5 is 9/7. Same thing here. They have a common denominator, so I'm just going to take 2 minus 8 is -6 and put that over 5. Okay, so our common denominator is 15. So both 5 and 3 go into 15. So I need to build each of these fractions up. So 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom by 3. So what happens is that becomes a 15 and this becomes a 12. And we're going to do the same thing over here. So 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm multiplying both the top and the bottom by 5, which gives me a 35 over 15. Then I can add them together. So 12 plus 35, that is 47 over 15. Same thing over here. So 18 is going to be our least common denominator because 3 goes into 18, and it goes into 18 6 times. So I'm going to have 12 right here minus, and I didn't do anything to that second fraction, so I'm just going to keep that 11. So my final answer is 1 over 18. So we're going to use the same process that we just did, the same thing that we learned back in grade school, and we're going to apply it to problems like this. So hopefully in these types of problems, you realize that this has a same denominator, so we can just simplify the top. I know that 4x to the third is going to be on bottom, so I'm just looking for those like terms. So negative 2x plus 5x is 3x. 3 plus 11 is 14. See if you can do this one. Okay, so again, these have the same, so I'm just looking for, combining like terms. So I have 4b plus 5b, that's 9b minus, sorry, this is a minus, isn't it? Please forgive me. Okay, so let's start this over. So I have everything over 11a, and make sure when you're subtracting that you are subtracting this whole thing. So it's going to be minus 2a minus 4b. So you're distributing that negative sign to both things. So 5b minus 4b, that's 1b, and then minus 2a. You could also, if you did it a different way and put the a first, that's totally okay. Either way is just fine. Okay, so notice that these next 4 all have the same denominator. So see if you can just combine like terms and get your answer. Okay, so the addition ones, those are pretty easy. You're just combining like terms here, but be careful on these minuses. I went ahead and showed you on this one. I changed all the signs. So this became a minus, this became a plus, and this became a minus. Then I'm going to combine like terms. Something else that I noticed is that these canceled out. So I just have 9x and then plus 4 over x squared minus 1. And this is the same one, so I changed the signs and combined like terms, and I got that. Okay, so let's keep going. In the next video, we will talk about when you don't have like terms.